All right, hello again. We will continue on the Unit 7 review, and we are now on problem number 2. I'll read it to you. Two linear equations are given below. All right, it's x minus 1, y equals to negative 2. That's the first one. All right, and the second one is 2x plus 3y equals to negative 9. All right, so that's the second one. All right. Now, if you recall, we have two methods on solving systems of equation. Algebraically, that is, okay? Number one is using substitution, and the second one is elimination. All right? So, with substitution, you recall that one of the variables has to be alone, so we can do substitution. So we will work on the first equation, because the first equation, if you look at it, we can make x alone quickly, right? So I'm going to copy it right now. X minus y equals to negative 2. Okay, to make x alone, or to isolate x, we add y. You add y to both sides of the equation. So that will cancel. So now x equals to negative 2 plus y. All right? And if you recall, substitution means, just by its name, you do substitution. The value of x is negative 2 plus y in the first equation, and we plug it into x, okay, in the second equation. All right? I'm going to change my color again into black. So now if you look at this, I'm going to draw an arrow. So 2x, x is negative 2 plus y. And keep on writing the second equation. The 3y, okay, equals to negative 9, okay? So 2 times x is 2x, x is negative 2 plus y. We plug it in, okay, substitute, all right? And then write the rest of the equation. That's equation number 2. And now we simplify as well as solve, okay? So here we need to distribute, right? We distribute 2 into the terms inside of the parentheses. So 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. 2 times y is 2y, positive 2y, all right? And bring down the rest of the equation, plus 3y equals to negative 9, okay? And you combine like terms, okay? Negative 4 plus 2y plus 3y is 5y, that's positive, equals to negative 9. You want to cancel subtraction by 4 or negative 4 by adding 4 to both sides of the equation, all right? This will cancel. So therefore, now we have 5y equals to negative 5. So then you divide by 5 to make y alone, divide by 5, so y equals to negative 1. There you go, negative 1. All right? So question, do we keep on working and find x equals, or is it possible that we should be able to answer the question right now? Well, let's look at it. It says exactly how many solutions. You have 4 choices: no solution, 1 solution, 2 solutions, and infinitely many solutions. Well, if I were you, I would say immediately I can make decision right now, because I know if I have y equals to negative 1, I should be able to find x. So therefore, I have 1 solution. So you see, you don't have to find x, the value of x, because you know, okay, there's only 1 solution. All right? There you go. Thanks.